That was almost bad. Oh, when it all falls apart, it all falls apart. Alright guys, my name's Ryan and I'm going fishing. Today is Sunday. It's beginning of August, and traveling north today there was 30 miles of bumper to bumper traffic southbound on my way up. I've never seen that many cars, so northern Michigan's just been bombarded with people this weekend, and you can't blame them. It was a beautiful weekend. But I'm up here on a Sunday. Normally I wouldn't fish on a busy summer weekend like this, but there's supposed to be rain coming, and it's supposed to start dumping here in just a little bit. So hopefully that keeps people off the river, that keeps the kayakers off the river, and that gets the fish active. But the water is super low and super clear, which obviously doesn't help our cause. But yeah, so that's why I'm here. Hopefully the rain starts soon. I'm going to be throwing spinners today, more than likely number ones. Blue Fox, Meps. I'm going to be throwing crankbait, Rapala J7s. Hopefully we get that one or two really big fish today. That's what we're shooting for. I'm sure this river's gotten beat up, fished, kayaked, people swimming in it, float tubes, all that kind of fun summer stuff, right? So fingers crossed. Let's go see what we can do. Thanks for coming along. All right. Just as I suspected, water is low and gin clear. Looks like it's starting to sprinkle, so fingers crossed. Come on, rain. I think that'll help our cause, but here we go. Starting with a Rapala crankbait, and I might change that to a spinner really fast. Oh, there goes a frog. I have a hole in my wader, so I know I'm going to get wet today. Brought an extra change of clothes. So I'm going to have a slow leak that gets me wet all day. Or, you know, I might fall in. So, we'll see. This is a little sketchy right off the bat to start. It gets deep right here, so don't want to fall in. There are times when I cannot cross the river here, but I can today, because again, it's a little low and a little clear. There we go. Yeah, I might change to a spinner really fast if we don't get a follow or a hit or... There we go. There we go. There we go. That's what we're after. Been working hard so far for that guy. Beautiful fish. Go. Thank you. As the first fish to hand of the day after turning a big one, I had a small one on and a couple of small chasers. So nice to get that one in the bag. How did there not come one or come a fish? How did a fish not come out of that? Dang. There's a fish. There's a good fish. Come on. Let's see what we got here. Ouch. There we go. Nice little brownie. Hey, bud. Oh, yep. I saw him behind it. I saw him open his mouth anyway. There we go. Didn't see him, I guess, till he opened his mouth, and then I saw him. Not a huge fish, but man, the way the day's going, I will take this fish and be happy about it. Come here. Thanks, man. I appreciate you. There we go. Nice one today. Thank you. Big trout. This one came from a wake from the bank after it, peeling all kinds of drag. This is a good one. He came, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at this fish. Oh. Wow. Stay, stay. This is a 2-foot fish. Easy. Easy. Oh my gosh. Holy smokes, my heart is pounding. This is a big trout. Biggest of the year for me if I land it. Oh, he's hog-tied. Oop, nope. Oh my gosh, look at this fish. Look at this fish. This is a 2-footer. I've been after this fish all day. Oh, I just don't want to lose him. Wow. Come here, dude. Come here. Yep, yep. Oh, he's out, he's out. He's in, he's out. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna lose this trout. He doesn't fit in my new net. There he is. Stand. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. This fish shot from that bank. Did a huge wake. Oh my gosh. Is this a big fish? Holy smokes. Alright, let's get a tape measure on this fish real fast. Let's see if he's as big as I think he is.
Hold on, dude. I will let you go, man. This fish is 22 inches. 22. And it is ginormous. Man, I even thought he was bigger than that. Wait till you guys see this sucker. Oh man, does he have teeth. Oh, thank you, Lord. Oh, and he was not hooked by much. Holy smokes. There he is. Look at that. Look at that fish. Look at that kip jaw. Fatty. Oh, hold on, I won't let you go. That's as big as I've done this year. Wow. Wow. Nope. Hey. Hold on. Let me revive you. Wow. Wow, is that a big trout? Come on now, stay with me. We'll get you going. Wow, what an absolute beast. 22, probably had a curve in him when I was measuring him on the land, so I'm going to say he's conservatively 22 and a half, probably 23, but 22 for sure. Holy smokes, what a big trout. Man, I'm just going to sit here with him. Wow, you guys. How about that one, Grandpa? Look at that. How about that one? All right. Look at that. That is just beautiful to see. Just reviving himself. He's finning like a shark. Wow. Just an absolute beast of a brown. So I have been working on trying to even see a fish like that today. I've thrown everything I have in my tackle box. Bronze, gold, silver, crankbait, number ones, number twos, and just it's been tough. I've caught a few fish, biggest up to 14 before this fish, maybe 15, but holy smokes, figured I had just a little bit left of fishing time, and sure enough, right over there, not in the wood debris, but that bank, he just came. You saw the weight coming and he ate it. I wasn't sure he was gonna, but he charged at it with purpose. Wow, what a day maker. Gosh, how about another one? I saw this one come out too. I didn't get the eat, but this is another big fish. Look at that, you guys. Holy smokes. Look at that. He says, no thanks, I don't want anything to do with that net. Looks like he's hooked fairly good. This isn't as big as the other, probably 20. What a tank though. Maybe he is. Oh, he's big. He's big, yep, he's big. Wow. Okay, alright. It's your world, I'm just a squirrel trying to get a nut. Look at you. Wow. Come here. Wow. See if I can get a little line on him. That's a strong fish. Come on. Yep. Stand. Oh my gosh. This fish is heavy. I'm going to try to land him right here. Let's see if we can pop that out. This fish might not be as long as the other one, but I think it's heavier. Hold on. I'll get you on your way, dude. Yeah, I had him hooked good. Good. Whoa. Okay. I'll get you unhooked. There you go, just like that. Look at that sucker. Wow. I'm going to say that's 21. Maybe. The other one was 22 and a half, 23. It's probably 22. Wow, just a thick fish. Just a thick fish. How you doing? There you go. Get your bearings. Beaut. Just sit here with them. You ready? I want you to go till you're ready. Let's revive you. Yeah, this one's not as big. I'm going to say this one's 20. It's not as long as the other one. Dang, big fish. How awesome is that? He says, I'll come hang out with you. You were nice to me. I'll hang out with you. You were kind. Just swimming, getting his bearings. How you doing? There you go. Sit there and breathe. I take out my hook. I'll check the line on that now. Feeling pretty good. Look at him just sit there now. We just leave him be. Seems to be sitting upright, breathing. See you later, bud. Thank you. Wow. Right. My out is right up around this bend. So I'm going to sum it up here. Today was, boy, tale of two different days. Tough fishing, really difficult. Seeing all the people go home, I thought, you know what, that's just it. It's tough. Caught a few fish, but you know, enough to have fun and enjoy myself, but didn't see anything really other than at the very beginning, any trout of size. And then it took one. And boy, what a fish it was. Best of the year for me. So if you haven't hit that like and subscribe button, I'd appreciate it if you do that. And yeah, we'll catch you next time. Be good to one another. See ya.